Got the Blazing High Performance. We in the middle of Mexico.
Mexico?
Yo, it's time to show y'all what the hell this shit can do. Fuck it, little tune. Now, if y'all remember from the last video, this is where we left off. So now we're gonna see what this dumbass does in the middle of fucking North Carolina. Like, he not 4 hours away from home. So just keep in tune. You're gonna see what the fuck happened. And goddamn, I was on some dumb shit.
I didn't know we was in Mexico now. Boy, look at that shit. Wait. Look at that shit. I'm dead. Let's go back because I don't want to get hit.
At this moment right here is where everything just went to shit. I was driving the car, sliding. Next thing you know, my engine temps are all the way up. Alternator lights on. Power steering is not there. I'm thinking I just blew power steering pump. Man, I did that fucking on my harmonic balancer. Just fucking took a shit.
Give them an update.
This is the update. Harmonic balancer fucking took a shit on me.
What happened? Tell us. What
Getting
happened?
sideways. I felt my steering wheel lock up, and I thought it was the power steering pump. It's this shit that fucking fell. We're in the middle of fucking North Carolina.
Let's see.
On the side of fucking road.
Like they did.
My motor might be fucked up.
Great, the band came off.
No lo vayan a subir al internet, bro. Sí.
Se lo va a subir.
No.
Sí, ya conociéndolo. Sí.
No, no, pero puedes filmarla, van a ver.
That's okay. Alright, that's enough. That shit crazy as fuck, too.
You need the keys.
Huh? Oh, I have them.
What's he doing?
He's calling his sergeant to let him know what happened. Hey, shout out to Iredell County Sheriffs though, man. They were cool as fuck. They really just let me off with a warning and said, go to that church and apologize to the pastor. So that's what the fuck I did. He took me in his car. We went to go apologize to the pastor, and they let me go with a warning. Big shots out of North Carolina. Shit, after a thermostat, refilling this bitch with coolant, and a crack down the fucking bumper in the fucking middle. We got the car running again. I got fucking coolant all in that head. Like, look at that one compared to this one. I figured out how to do that shit. The fucking cap was open when the fucking radiator line came off. All for a 1 minute slide just turned into a shit show. But thank God the car's running fine now. We'll be back on the road on the way back to Atlanta soon. So shit, I ain't stressing it too much, but still, like, fuck. How's your one little shit turn something big? But we got the harmonic balancer back on. We just put the stock on with a new bolt and Loctite. I'm about to send that bitch. Man, I'll give y'all an update when I get home. Pray everything go good. We just test drove it around here on the highway. Everything felt straight, so yeah, we should be good to go. But damn, man, I really appreciate the people in North Carolina, man. They were real good to me. The sheriff was real good to me. The pastors at the church, the other citizens of the city, like, man, they just pulled over and helped me out. Man, if this was like in Atlanta and Gwinnett, boy, they would have took my ass to jail. So I mean, I can't hate. I'm just thankful to God that the whole situation went good and I'm not stranded up here. That just goes to show me I can't fuck around, bro. I need to chill out, tighten up, but just glad the car good, man. We'll see how the video come out.